Limo home tours continues today. We are over here in Fort Worth looking at this 4-bedroom home for one of my clients. So if you're in market to buy a home, please schedule your tour with us today. Otherwise, I will come in. See this nice front entrance right here. Beautiful view for the front door. Your view, the living area. On your immediate, you have a formal dining right there. Living area right there, beautiful green color there. Big windows, some natural light. The view of the kitchen here. Beautiful view. Full double sink, washer, gas stove, spot for your fridge. Alright, and that's the stairs. I'm gonna go back to, let's view the master. It's a beautiful view from here. That's the living area. Then we get into the master. It's a huge master. Still big windows, so you can natural light. Beautiful green color. Alright. Double sink. Shower and tub. Walk-in closet here. It's a good size. All right, let's go to the upstairs. So you do have a laundry area here and half bath there. The stairs. Right, so huge game area here, game room. Still got a good view to the main door. Right, so bedroom number 1. Good size. Closet here, space, bedroom number 3, closet space, then bedroom number, you get your tub and shower here, double sink. Bedroom number 4. All right, let's check the outside. Okay, let's get enough space here. Alright, so this is Sam, Limo, your Texas Realtor. Today we're in Fort Worth, and Limo Texas Homes continues to showcase the homes that's available for my customers. So if you're in market for a home, please schedule your home tour today and catch me in the next video. Thank you.